We don't want to stop technology or trying technology, and this is a real proof. This is not a proof of concept. This is our third address, and at the moment we're just going to have a quick tour to show you the possibility that we came up in our first trial, and hopefully we can build on it. And now we are opening our metaverse. I'm sorry if you want to see the other side. And as you can see, it represents a full building of the ministry, where actually each floor can serve you for a different purpose. And as you can see, you can come take a ticket, and that will send a notification to our Customer Happiness Center employee to join the metaverse. And that will be a nice experience where they can interact by voice. They can go to see, this is our knowledge wall, where you come and see all information related to the ministry. You can come to know our services. There are networking area where people, either employee and customers, or customers only, can mingle and talk as a group or as a one-to-one. And we can go a bit to see our auditorium. We can hold real events. We can sign agreements. If we all remember, in March in Dystopia, we actually streamed an entire like the auditorium for people to join us in the metaverse who couldn't do the physical visit. So this is an example of how people can use things. Our metaverse is also equipped actually with the capability of signing agreement and DocuSign. So if we have MOUs with international companies, we can meet in this instance and actually sign an actual legally binding document. Booths we see there is actually where when you get your tickets and the employee will come, you can go into a one-to-one meeting where you can share your screen, and our customer happiness agent will help you actually to go through your service step by step.
تنمية الصناعات الإبداعية، وتتضمن استراتيجية دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة في ضوء رؤية وتوجيهات قيادتها الرشيدة صياغة فرص جديدة تسهم في بناء مستقبل واعي الاقتصاد بالرقم.